In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. I'm going to share with you guys which affiliate links you should promote on Pinterest, because you cannot promote any affiliate links. You need to choose specific affiliate links that will get you commission. Okay, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you which affiliate links I was promoting. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. And in over here, as you can see, it's showing paid. It's paid. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, what you need to do is you need to go to Google first, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down like this. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this page over here, as you can see, and it's really easy and simple. I'm gonna show you how you can sign up step by step. So let's check this Fiverr affiliate website. If you scroll down, you can see over here join now. If you scroll down, you can see commission. Let's see commission. They are really paying a good commission, guys. Look at this. It's up to $115. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can get up to $115. Okay, that's really a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, click over here on join now, and you will be directly in this page. As you can see, the sign up process is really super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer a few questions, choose your country, choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes and anyone can sign up. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page. So now I'm gonna share with you which service I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So what you will do, you will click on the search over here and you will search for Shopify. Search for Shopify SEO. Okay, search for Shopify SEO like this. And as you can see, you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose a good sellers who has a lot of reviews, sellers who are like top rated seller, pro seller. So for example, if you are promoting those pro sellers, you can get commission up to $115. If just one person buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn $115, guys. Okay, so but you should choose good sellers that has good reviews. Okay, so for example, let me see, I'm gonna choose, for example, okay, let me see, I'm gonna choose this one. This one is pro seller and he has 5-star, a lot of reviews, selling this service for $120. And people who are using Shopify, they will be interested to use this service to rank their Shopify website. Okay, I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you will do, you will copy his profile link, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tool, click on default and deep links, click over here and put this seller profile link here, and click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do is you just need to copy this link from here and you need to go to Pinterest. Okay, so For people who are new to Pinterest, if you don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to use your email address. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay? And make sure to choose business account, not personal account. You need to open business account, okay? So click over here on home feed, click on create pin. So you need to upload a picture about this service. So you will go back to this seller page, this pro seller, scroll down, you should see over here his picture, okay? So this is his video. You will use just his picture. Double click, click on save image, okay? I'm gonna name it Shopify SEO, save. Let's go to Pinterest, click over here, and you need to upload this picture to this account, okay? To your Pinterest account. Open. This is my picture. As you can see, I will Shopify SEO post your site. It's really good, looking good. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here, like this. So we need title and we need description. Let's go back to this seller page. Okay, go to his home page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate, you can use his title. Go back to Pinterest, put this title over here like this. Description, go back to his profile page, scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. Click on read more. This is his description. I will copy his description. I will copy just this part. I will go to Pinterest and I will put this description here. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. So make your description short, okay? Like this. Scroll down and you need to choose a board, okay? If you are new, click on create a board and just give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. I already created those 3. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Go back to this seller page, scroll down, and you just need to keep scrolling down. You should see over here related tags. Copy those tags like this. Go to Pinterest, put those tags here. It's really easy and simple, okay? As you can see, Pinterest. So people who are using Shopify will be interested to use this service, okay? So after you finish, click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. As you can see, make sure to promote a lot of services if you want to get commission, so your chance to get commission will be high. You will not get commission just by promoting one service. At least promote 5 services per day, okay? So let me see, and here you go. This is my picture, my affiliate link. This is my affiliate link over here, title and description. People who are using Pinterest to drive traffic to their Shopify website, they will be interested to use this service. They will be really interested, okay? So that's why I choose this service. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.